Time for breakfast! So we continue to discuss our topics about how to be in perfect harmony with our biological time. And now we will discuss taking food. So there is kind of saying that keep your breakfast to yourself, share your lunch with your friends, and give dinner to your enemy. It's not exactly like that, because the sun is not still very active. Our breakfast should be quite mild. And we have to discuss many different things about food. We have to understand that eating food is not simple, just very simple activity like putting the gasoline to our body. Is much more complex. While we eating, many different things are happening. First thing, that when we eating, our energetical points become open, our chakras become open, and we absorbing all the information which is around us. So it's very important where and how and when we are taking our food. Very important to do it very attentively, not like space out breakfast. This is our meditation. Breakfast and any kind of food is very, very sacrificial. So while we're taking food, please don't watch TV or play with your mobile phone. It should be very meditative. It could be that you listen some spiritual music. It could be that you listen some spiritual lecture. Please don't listen some TV, some nonsense things, because all these things come to you, and all the day you will have it in your subconscious and it will affect you. So quiet place, nice place, clean place you're taking. If you're alone, you can listen some spiritual music or some spiritual lectures. The best thing is to be with your family, because you sharing with internal energy and you growing attachment and love to each other. While eating together, you stay together. And there is many other tips. For example, we have to understand that the breakfast food, it should be easy food. Not take too much, not take heavy food. It can be something like jam, sweet things. Till 9 o'clock you can take sweet things. All other time it's not good for your health. It's something like taking energy from you. But sweets in the morning, it's good. Of course, not too much. So some fruits, milk products, some berries, some nuts, not grains. Please don't take grains or minimize your grains. Minimize your bread, minimize any type of even sweet cakes. Sweet is good, but grain is not. So please try to eat some sweet yogurt, for example, but not a cake, because sun is still not influencing your stomach so much, so you will not be able to adjust grains, and these grains will stay in your body till the midday, and it will give toxins and you will feel weak. So avoid grains in the morning. And if you avoid grains in the morning, and if you not eat too much food in the morning, then in the evening you will have no big appetite. It means you will lose your weight, because whatever you eat in the evening, it goes to your body, becomes a fat. So avoid grains and avoid heavy food in the breakfast, and you will be able to avoid heavy food in the evening, and you will lose your day. So light breakfast with good mood. While we eating, we have not to be nervous, not to be fast. We're meditating very nice. We're taking very good quality, fresh food. We are sitting together with our family, or we listening some spiritual classes or spiritual music, and very meditating, very peaceful, and not fast, not eating like putting gasoline to your food. Very meditative. You bite every bite, you spend time to work with your teeth to make the food adjustable, and you meditate on something pleasant, something peaceful. You try to be not spaced out, stay right now, right here. And in this way, taking food, you get maximum benefit, and you will, if you try all these tips I mentioned, definitely you will love it.